I am in stride with the upward progressive movement of life. Spirit's mark of success is upon me. As you affirm these words for yourself, do you believe them? More importantly, are you living your life in agreement with the movement of Spirit? Welcome. I'm Reverend Cherie Larkin, minister here at Unity of Auburn. And right now, Spirit is streaming in and through every part of you. Spirit's mark of success is upon your life. Spirit is streaming health and vitality to your body. Spirit is streaming love, and it's present in all your relationships, releasing harmony. Spirit's abundance is opening in provision and supply for every need and desire for your life. Do you believe it? To attend a Unity church is to be encouraged to live your full potential from that inner Christ Spirit within you. Here at Unity, we have the most wonderful spiritual principles to share with you. Principles so that you can begin to grow and develop a consciousness that is in agreement with spiritual beliefs that you've probably held in your heart most of your life. Many people who come into Unity share with me, I've always believed this way. I've always thought this way about spirituality. I just never knew there was a church that matched what I believed. Couldn't you get excited about learning practical spiritual principles for living a healthy, vibrant, successful way of life? Principles that can transform your life and circumstances for the better. So what do we believe in Unity? We believe that God, Divine Mind, is the source and creator of the universe, the source and creator of all that is. God is the invisible life essence, an intelligent energy running through all, and there is no other enduring power. This God essence is in everyone and in everything, and its nature is absolute good. We believe that Jesus was born out of God, out of this essence, and fully demonstrated the indwelling Christ potential. And we also, being born out of God in original blessing, also have the power and the potential to express the perfection of the Christ Spirit in our lives. As we connect with that Spirit within through prayer and affirmative thinking and the use of spiritual principles, we become empowered to live out our Christ potential in our lives in very unique and beautiful and divine ways, unique just to you because that relationship to your spirit. Our worship services include inspirational spiritual messages, education, prayer, music, all to provide you with a deep experience of that one presence, one power, one love, God the good. Unity finds deep significance in the Bible through its metaphysical interpretation, which is kind of a fancy word for spiritual interpretation, where all of the names, the places, the people, and the experiences of the characters in Scripture symbolize the unfoldment of human consciousness, from Adam man to Christ potential, from human consciousness to universal Christ consciousness. It's a journey through Scripture. And Scripture comes alive when it's understood in a clear and helpful and practical guide to help you live your life successfully. We also follow the research that's going on in the neurosciences, in positive psychology, and in the quantum physics field, because all of those teachings, all of those discoveries emphasize we have the ability to train our minds so that we can truly lead extraordinary lives. So why participate in our Unity community here at Unity of Auburn? Because when we are in communion with others, and when we're held in the belief that everyone and everything is sacred, we thrive, don't we? In conscious community, we recognize that we are in this life together, that it's not a linear journey or a singular one, that community helps us build the frequency of love for each other so that real transformation can happen. At Unity, we offer hope and healing and reassurance to support you in the face of challenges so that you remember the strength of God within you, so that you can persevere, all the while keeping a soft and open heart. Doesn't that feel good? We're here to celebrate with you the joys and the triumphs of your life, to provide you opportunities to serve, and to help you advance your spiritual understanding as well as your personal growth. It's my hope for you that you feel inspired and excited and supported at Unity of Auburn, and that it will become easy to keep building your connection to the deepest part of you, to the Spirit within you. The truth is, you are a radiant child of God, and it doesn't matter if you've read all the self-help books, memorized the Bible, if you're totally new to spirituality, and it's a whole new experience for you. No matter where you are on your spiritual journey, you're welcome here. No matter where you are on your spiritual journey, it's our intention to equip you to live the best within yourself, so that you rise above negative or destructive thinking and feeling. We want to help you to hold to your higher ideals and to dwell upon what is beautiful and gracious and right about you and about your life. Right now, I am blessing you with love, peace, and well-being. I hope to see you here at Unity of Auburn at one of our services soon. In the meantime, welcome and God bless you.